there is an abundance of dark and gritty animes available for fans to watch. Some of this stands off due to the fact that they do not start off dark. Anime that begins with a light-hearted tone or even one that is the least typical of this genre often fool viewers into thinking that the story will go into the certain direction. The dark twist at the end of the first episode is meant to shock viewers, subverting the anime's initial tropes and drawing fans in. This makes fans wonder where the series will go from there. Many series do an excellent job at surprising people watching it for the first time and then make plot all more interesting. So in this video we are going to take a look at 10 animes where the stories takes a dark turn in the first episode or the end of the first episode. So without any further ado, let's start with our video. On the 10th number, the anime name is Akame ga Kill. Tatsumi has originally dreamed of making it big in the imperial capital. At the start of the episode, he took down a monster, proving that he was a capable fighter. Going into the imperial capital, he finds himself out of luck, unable to find a job or even a place to sleep. A seemingly kind noble girl, Aria, offers him a place to stay for the night, which he gladly accepts. Aria's kindness was a ruse, and Tatsumi soon discovers that she and her family were responsible for torturing and killing his friends from his village, Ieyasu and Sayo. Overwhelmed by rage, he kills Aria, which starts off as one of the most devastating plot of any anime that you will ever see, and I would 100% recommend you guys to watch Akame ga Kill. On the 9th number, the anime name is Future Diary. Yukiteru Amano was a high school student who recorded his life in a diary on his phone. He was friend with a god Deus S Machina, who offered to play a game with him. As a result, his phone was able to reveal the future to him. Like most students would, he was eager to do well on his test. This episode takes a dark turn after his phone tells him that a serial killer is after him. Although he initially thinks that it's Yuno Gasai, it's revealed that she has a diary that tells her everything that Yukiteru is doing every 10 minutes, showing that although she wasn't the killer, actually she was frighteningly obsessed with him and she wants to protect Yukiteru Amano. And that means the killer is someone else and who will again try to kill Yukiteru Amano. On the 8th number, the anime name is Sword Art Online. Kirito Kazuto and many other players were looking forward to entering SAO, a virtual reality game in which players gets to experience diving into a fantasy world. Unfortunately for them, they learn that they cannot log out of the game. They are trapped inside, and if they die in the game, they die in real life too. Even the removal of the nerve gear headpiece will kill them. After learning this, everyone goes into panic and many people lost their lives already at that point. Sword Art Online really takes an interesting turn till the end of the first episode. On the 7th number, the anime name is Shiki. In the first episode, Megumi Shimizu is the primary protagonist. The people in her village often makes fun of her for dressing up in fancy dressed out in the country, and she finds herself despising being trapped in the middle of nowhere. She longs to go to the city and meets like-minded people. Unfortunately for her, the first episode ends with her on her deathbed, and the viewers quickly realizes that her dream won't be coming true. And I'm telling you guys that Shiki is one of the most scariest anime that I have ever watched. So if you are into horror kind of things, then I would 100% recommend you guys this anime. On the 6th number, the anime name is Devilman Crybaby. Akira Fudo starts off as an ordinary high school student. When he tries to defend his crush from a gang of thugs, he needs to be saved by Ryo Asuka, his childhood friend. Ryo drags Akira to a nightclub, determined to gather proof that demons exist. When they get there, they see the proof for themselves, but the sight of the demon attacking humans is shockingly gruesome. At the end of the first episode, Akira turns into a demon and starts to live as a demon for the rest of the series. On the 5th number, the anime name is Goblin Slayer. Priestess is a newbie who joins 3 other new adventurers in hunting down goblins who stole and kidnapped from a nearby village. They are confident that they will successfully handle the mission, considering the fact that goblins aren't that powerful and have an intelligence of a child. However, they discover that they underestimated them, leading to one of the most well-known and horrifying anime sequences. Although it starts off as a typical fantasy adventure, the anime sets itself apart by being incredibly dark and thriller too. So if you are into kind of dark, thriller and gruesome kind of scenes, then you will surely love Goblin Slayer. On the 4th number, the anime name is Bleach. Ichigo Kurosaki often found himself in fights due to his bright orange hair. However, one of his earliest fights had him beating up some of the guys for knocking over a vase left for a little girl who passed away on the street. This establishes how nice of a guy he was very early on, and the fact that ghosts were harassing him for favors was more of a comedic element. The tone becomes much more darker after the manga shows a little girl being eaten by a hollow, and Ichigo is forced to accept and become a Shinigami when the hollow nearly kills his family. On the third number, the anime name is The Rising of the Shield Hero. Naofumi Iwatani started off as an optimistic and kind individual. Unlike the other heroes, he was modest. Although he wanted more appreciation from the kingdom that was asking him to save them, Malti Melromac agrees to join his party, but she unfortunately backstabs him. She accuses him of sexual assault, which robs him from his ability to trust and turns the entire kingdom against him. From that point on, he becomes a drastically different person and stays like that and changes and develops a little by little throughout the series. On the second number, the anime name is Death Parade. A married couple are confused as they suddenly find themselves in a bar with no recollection of how they got there. The bar appears to be normal, but bartender tells them that they cannot leave until they play a game. The game turns out to be far more brutal than they expected. The game was intended to reveal their true nature, leading to both sides become increasingly frantic and derented as the game progresses forward. Death Parade is one of my favorite and the most darkest anime I have ever seen. And it doesn't matter which kind of genre you are into, Death Parade is a must-watch anime. On the first number, the anime name is The Promised Neverland. Emma, Norman and Ray are friends who are being raised in a Gracefield house. The children there are more like family, who play in the fields and help their caretaker, affectionately called as Mama, with various chores. Every so often, a child is sent to a new home. However, when Connie is sent away, Emma and Norma notices that she left her stuffed animal behind. They decides to follow her in order to return it, only to discover that Connie was being killed and every child is livestock for demon-like creatures. And this story takes a really dark turn at the end of the first episode. But the second season is kind of messed up and they didn't follow the manga. So I would suggest you guys to watch the first season and then follow up with the manga. And that was for the video guys, and that was the anime about top 10 animes where the stories takes a dark turn in episode 1. And these types of animes are actually very rare to be found. So make sure to watch all of these animes on this list. And I think that was for today's video guys. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe. And that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.